Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1005 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this beautiful lipstick. This is from the brand Belle and Argent, and this is their Auteur Matte lipstick that I got in the shade 3 Plays in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. So look at the beautiful packaging on this. When I first unboxed this, I was like, oh, I know this lipstick, I recognize it, because I've already tried out a Belle and Argent lipstick, but I realized I haven't tried out the matte version. I tried out the cream version. I have also tried out the Belle and Argent lip gloss, so I'm excited to be able to try out a different formula from them. So this has a retail value of $20, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and silicone-free. So let's check out this color. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Let's watch it. Oh, love that. Here's how that looks. It's a really pretty rosy nude shade. I feel like this is going to be one of those go-to, easy to wear types of shades that can go from day to night with any sort of makeup look. But let me go ahead and apply it to really find out. Before I rub my lips together, I just want you to see. So I have it on my lower lip compared to my top lip. It's kind of like a My Natural lip shade, but better. I really like the pointy shape of this. It makes it so easy to get a perfect, precise shape where I don't even feel like I need a lip liner. But oh my gosh, I love this color. It's seriously what I was hoping for. It really is such a flattering yet super basic shade, which I absolutely love. I feel like those are the types of shades that you're gonna get the most use out of, you're gonna get your money's worth of. My only thing is, I've applied 2 layers and it's still not completely opaque. Like, it's not completely pigmented. I can still see some texture, especially on my lower lip, which is kind of dry, but it doesn't feel super drying. It's just not looking opaque. So I'm gonna go in with even more. Still. And it's not like you can really notice the texture. I'm just looking at it super up close with my mirror and being super picky, because I always am when I review products. So that's my only thing, is I wish it was full, even color. It's just like when I smile, you can see some unevenness in the color. And it does have that matte formula, but it doesn't seem like a dry matte. It's a really pretty velvety matte formula. But I am so happy with this color. I'm curious how much transfer there is. Yeah, it's a decent amount of transfer. I mean, not crazy. Still looks really good on my lips. But these stick lipsticks typically aren't transfer proof anyways. Actually, I did have one Shop Miss A lipstick, the twist up kind like this, that lasts all day long. Love that one, but I haven't found another stick lipstick like that that stays on, so I'm not surprised to see the transfer, and it doesn't really bother me either. My favorite thing about it is the color, because I'm super picky. I've tried out so many lipsticks, so I know that this is not the most amazing, beautiful formula because it's not completely smooth on my lips. But that is barely noticeable. It's still pretty, I'll still wear it. And considering how chapped and dry my lips are, it still looks pretty smooth and even and feels comfortable. So if you have tried out any of the Belle and Argent lip products, let me know which ones are your favorites in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.